Neo is a humanoid companion designed to transform your life at home. It combines AI and advanced hardware to help with daily chores and bring intelligence into your everyday life. Neo was engineered from the ground up for safety. Its tendon-driven body is quiet and lightweight. Its low-energy motions make it uniquely safe for you and your home. But safe doesn't mean limited. Neo's hardware comes packed with features like human-level dexterity and a 55-pound carrying capacity so that it can handle any of your chores reliably. We also worked really hard to make Neo's design friendly and comfortable to be around. Each Neo comes with a machine-washable knit suit, a head, and shoes that you can customize to fit your style. As for using your Neo, we made the experience simple. Out of the box, the core of your experience is fully autonomous. The chores feature lets you schedule a time for your Neo to do all of your chores so you can come back to a cleaner home every day. With the AI companion feature, you can talk to your Neo to get assistance with anything from a hard question to a household task. With Neo's autonomy, you can get access to all of its latest AI features to get help with tasks on demand. We built the chores feature to give you your time back. You give your Neo a list of chores, you schedule a time that you want them done so that you can focus on what matters to you while your Neo does the rest. You can schedule chores by either talking to your Neo or using the app. The way it works is you schedule a time that works best for you, and then you create a list of chores. Whether it's something more specific, like watering the plants on Tuesdays, or something more general, like tidying the house, your Neo will get it done at the scheduled time. And the Neo app lets you interact with your Neo from anywhere.
Okay, we need to talk about the Neo humanoid robot because this might be the most futuristic home-grade gadget ever, or one of the most misleading. Neo is a fully fledged humanoid robot standing 5'6" tall, weighing about 66 pounds, with a 4-hour active battery life and autonomous self-charging. It walks on 2 legs, uses LiDAR and vision sensors to map its environment, and features 10 fully articulated fingers just like a human to handle small objects. The robot is designed to be your personal household assistant. It can fold laundry, load and unload the dishwasher, water indoor and outdoor plants, clean up clutter, and even locate and retrieve your TV remote, all while learning your home's layout over time. The promise? You leave for work, come back, and everything's done. No chores, no reminders, just a clean, smarter, quieter life. Neo is open for pre-orders from this website here you see. You can pick your color, pay a $200 deposit, and choose between a $500 a month subscription or a $20,000 flat payment. For that, you get a humanoid robot with built-in microphones, speakers, haptic sensors, and Wi-Fi connectivity. But here's the issue. Despite the sleek launch video and all those chore demos, most of what Neo appears to be and do isn't actually autonomous. Every single task shown in recent media demos was remotely controlled by a human operator wearing a VR headset. We are not talking partial assist, we are talking full-on teleoperation. Now, the reality versus the promise is that what the public sees is a robot that folds clothes and tidies the house. What's really happening is a person in another room controlling Neo's every move, down to picking up a fork or opening a dishwasher. Only 2 moments in the company's 10-minute promo video show what actually the robot does. The rest is autonomous. Opening the front door and taking a cup from someone, the rest of the video is all remote control. That matters because it highlights a huge problem. There is a massive gap between what the robot can do maybe one day versus what it can do actually right now. Let's talk about selling the dream before it works. We've seen this playbook here before. Companies hype up AI products or other products before they are ready because they need to collect real-world training data. With Neo, it's the same strategy. Sell the vision now and let early adopters fill in the gaps. The robot sensors record everything, and human-guided sessions help the AI learn how to do tasks even better next time. You're not just buying a product, you are enrolling in a home beta test. Conceptually, is this going to work? When Neo doesn't know how to do something, you can schedule expert mode where a teleoperator controls the robot live through your home cameras. Yes, that means a stranger guiding a robot through your kitchen or living room. The company says you can blur the faces and geofence some rooms, but the fact remains you're trading privacy for productivity. Even Neo's learning system depends on this teleoperation data to build out its own autonomous capabilities. Let's talk about privacy. Now, beyond privacy, there are other issues, of course. Neo isn't strong enough to lift heavy items. It moves slowly, sometimes clumsily, and might fall over. It uses 6 onboard cameras and ultrasonic sensors to detect obstacles, but it can still misstep. And if you want it to handle something serious, like medications or breakables, It absolutely has to get it right. There is no room for error. Consider elderly people taking medication. The robot has to get it right. Now, the AI gap problem is that this is a huge AI promise, right? Tech companies are selling a dream that's years away from reality. The ideal version of Neo is incredible, but we are not even there yet. And ironically, the people who would benefit the most, the seniors, people with disabilities, overworked caregivers, are least likely to want to be early adopters of an unfinished product. Because the truth is, this robot isn't ready to do everything shown in the promo videos, not without human help or the teleoperators. So the final thoughts, right? Look, Neo is exciting, right? If it works as advertised, someday it could change everything. But for now, it's another case of selling the future before it's built. The tech might get there, maybe in a year or two, but this thing has some time to develop. But right now, it's just not ready. And for $20,000, this is a hard sell. So would you let a humanoid robot into your home if it meant giving up your privacy for the promise of free time in the future? Or is this just another overhyped product using AI as a marketing crutch? Let me know in the comments, like if you want to see where this goes next. And of course, subscribe for more real tech talk in the future. Catch you in the next one. Peace.